National Day of Prayer moments after declaring a state of emergency in that country over the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. The US had earlier in the week banned all flights from Europe, which has been declared the newest epicenter of the pandemic. Saudi Arabia is also contemplating suspending all international flights as places of worship in Europe consider not having faithful in church halls to contain further spread of the virus.
The latest figures show that the United States currently has 2,329 reported cases of COVID-19 infections, with 50 deaths being reported and 41 recoveries. The government says there is setting aside $40 billion as relief funds for local authorities. U.S. President Donald Trump declared it a national emergency in what critics say was a long-delayed admission of the gravity of the coronavirus crisis that has triggered the shutdown of schools, sporting events, offices and travel in the world's richest country.
To unleash the full power of the federal government in this effort today, I am officially declaring a national emergency.
After the announcement, a massive stock market sell-off followed, whereas Friday's performance saw the Dow Jones rising sharply while Trump spoke. But Trump once more insisted that the U.S. response has been faultless, brushing off fierce criticism over his persistence in downplaying the coronavirus danger and the slow rollout of testing for the virus. Trump surprised reporters by reversing his insistence on not needing to be tested for coronavirus or going into self-quarantine following his contact with numerous politicians who since have taken the precautionary measure. He has, however, urged all Americans to be aware of the telltale signs and pray for their nation this Sunday. On the other side of the world, Saudi Arabia said Saturday it would suspend international flights for 2 weeks in response to the coronavirus outbreak. In a tweet, the Saudi Foreign Ministry said that the kingdom's government decided to suspend international flights starting from Sunday, March 15th, as part of its efforts to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Saudi Arabia has recorded 86 cases of the virus so far, but no deaths, according to the health ministry. The kingdom had already halted flights to some countries and closed schools and universities as part of measures to contain the disease. Authorities have also suspended the Umrah year-round pilgrimage to the Muslim holy cities of Mecca and Medina for fear of the virus spreading. In Europe, where WHO is now shifting its focus as the epicenter of the COVID-19, passengers were stranded at almost empty waiting halls in airports. In Italy, streets remain empty whilst the church is now considering streaming messages in time of prayer to avoid further spread of the virus.